Hi everyone, today I've got the Tomtoc T33 3.5 litre version. I'm just going to pack it out with a few things and give you an idea of how much you can fit in it and all the different pockets and everything. Cool, so you've got a front pocket here with two pockets there and one larger pocket and a key chain thing. Not going to put too much in there. I've got a microfiber cloth there that can go in there. Got two SD cards, they can go in there, and a travel alarm clock. I'll put that in there too, perhaps. Actually, no, I won't. I'll put my phone in there. Got a iPhone SE. I'll put that there. So in the back pocket, you've got a sort of slightly hidden pocket there. What can I put in there? I'll put I guess the idea that this back pocket is a little bit hidden. It's a little bit hidden and it's close to yourself, so put some important documents in there. I'll put some foreign cash in there as well. And in the main pocket, got a nice big area there. Waist sleeve there for whatever you want. Two mesh pockets there, and on this side, got a larger mesh pocket that has a zipper, so it's all enclosed. So I'm going to put my travel alarm clock in there. Got a hard drive there. And the main, set that up. Actually in this pocket I will put I have a lens cleaner, lens cleaning pen it's called. It can go on there too. And I have I've got a small camera, action camera in there. That can go in there. Some glasses, that can go in there too. What else can we fit in there? Some sunglasses. That all fits in quite nicely. Packed out quite well at some point. There's a bit of space there, it could be more efficient maybe, is what I put in there, but it can fit all that easily. Let's try another combination. Take that out, take those out. Let's put a larger Minolta point and shoot camera. Apologies there. With a small travel tripod, and sunglasses can still fit in there. There's a wee bit of space there. There you go. That fits in nicely too. So there is a smaller, I think 1.5 litre version of this bag. I don't have it, but this can fit, as you know, I've got previous videos on here. This fits a lot more than the older T21 bag. I think it's called T21, due to the base of this bag being flat. So this is a really nice bag, I like it a lot. Let's try a larger compact camera case. Fit in there too. Can I also fit this one in? Not quite. What about these glasses? Yep. And that will do up. And the tripod as well. Just, yep. It's a bit tight in some spots with the tripod. And if I take the small stuff out, let's try that. We have a compact Minolta camera there. Let's try this larger camera case. No, it's not going to fit quite. The smaller low pro case. That fits, plus the tripod, and can I get a phone in there too? Yep. There you go. So there is a few different combinations of the Tomtoc T33 3.5 litre treble sling.